Okay, we have two more parts we've to make. We already made the pin, so we're just going to repeat the pin process real quick, and then we'll move on to the arm. All right, so File, New, pull up our millimeter part, and we have go with the front plane. Open up the sketch. Let's try the S key, see what we get with our pop-up. So there is the circle. We'll attach it to the origin. Right click, go right into the dimension, and 8 millimeters. Alright, since there's no other geometry, this one will go pretty quick. And this is going to be 170 millimeters in length. And I'll just hit Control 7. I was hitting Control 8, it went normal too. Control 7 to get to isometric. And then we'll save. And then this is going to be the rod. Alright, another new. Part millimeter. Front plane. We'll open up the sketch. And we could do the rectangle. We could make a rectangle as a center rectangle and start at the origin and move out. Or, since we haven't used the straight slot, which generally generates an obround, let's go ahead with a center point straight slot. And where we think of the slot as a negative, as long as it's generating the obround, we're going to be creating the positive. So I picked the origin, mainly out of habit, and we're dragging the center line out. When I let go, nothing really happens until I drag. And once I start to drag the geometry, that's what's going to generate the obround shape. So let's right click, go right into the Smart Dimensions. We have 170 millimeters on the length. The radius is 5 millimeters, so since the ends are arcs, it's going to go automatically to radial. And then we can come over and pick two circles. Since I'm still in the circle tool, we'll go grab the other one. Right click, select. Hold down the control button and select both circles. We're going to make those equal. And I can always verify if I'm not sure it completed. I can go to equal radius and make sure that it applied the relation. And then 5 millimeter diameter, back into features, extrude, and this is going to be 5 millimeter thickness. Okay, and then we can save this as the arm. Alright, so that should be all of our parts. We'll do a quick check. Make sure I didn't miss anything. And then the next video we'll start the assembly.